This article is from Tuesday, 2nd of May 2017. The second violent tornado of 2017 happened over the weekend in Texas. As it says here, a National Weather Service damage survey has concluded that a North Texas tornado on April 29 was an EF-4. This is the second tornado rated EF-4 so far this year. In recent years, EF-4s have been quite infrequent. A tornado Saturday in North Texas has been rated EF-4, a violent intensity not often attained by tornadoes in recent years. A survey team from the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth found damage from one of 7 tornadoes east of Dallas on April 29, supported an EF-4 rating on the enhanced Fujita scale. And here you can see the damage that was left by the tornado. This tree here, not much left. The storm survey continues this afternoon. This damage was observed near the county of Jackson, southwest of Canton. On the ground for 40 minutes over a 22-mile path, this tornado collapsed every wall of a well-constructed 2-story brick house in Van Zandt County, according to a statement released Tuesday by the National Weather Service in Fort Worth. And here you can see where the tornado travelled and some ground raking or wind rowing, clearly evident in the Canton EF-4 tornado. Severe debarking of numerous trees on that home's property was another indicator that prompted the EF-4 rating for this tornado, which later grew to roughly a mile wide. Peak winds at this location were estimated 175 to 185 miles per hour. 2 people were killed by this tornado. So how rare are tornadoes this strong? The Van Zandt County, Texas tornado was the second EF-4 tornado so far in 2017. The other one occurred in Perryville, Missouri on February 28, one of roughly 5 dozen tornadoes from February 28 through March 1. There were only 2 EF-4 tornadoes in all of 2016, according to the Storm Events Database from NOAA's National Centers for Environmental Information. One was in Garvin County, Oklahoma on the 9th of May, and the other one was in Dickinson County in Kansas on May 25. From 2000 to 2010, only 0.5% of all tornadoes in the US attained an F or EF-4 or higher rating, according to severe weather expert, and that's Dr. Greg Forbes of the Weather Channel. Despite this rarity, these violent tornadoes are often deadly. While only small parts of a violent tornado typically experience EF-4 or EF-5 damage, Forbes found that 58% of EF-4 tornadoes in the US from 2000 to 2013 claimed at least one life along its path. The worst tornado outbreaks can spawn swarms of EF-4 or stronger tornadoes. 15 violent tornadoes on the peak day of the April 2011 super outbreak. These EF-4 and EF-5 tornadoes accounted for almost 90% of the tornado-related deaths on April 27, according to the Centers for Disease Control and the Red Cross. The April 3, 1974 super outbreak spawned 30 violent tornadoes in just 24 hours. So that one was really bad. And there's a very old photo of a tornado. One of the oldest photographs of a tornado. It is probable this image has been doctored from the original. At the time, the oldest known photograph of a tornado was taken on April 26, 1884. at Garnett, Kansas. There you go. So I'll just finish with the video at the top of the page, which does actually show this tornado from the 29th of April 2017.